only God. Gigi, fresh, Paulele.
Oh
My guy, relax. My guy, my guy. This is not the end of the life. Relax, relax. Better things are coming. Relax. Stop all this thing you are doing here. Relax. Leave this thing.
One day might come from the ghetto, so you get to.
Hey, G. Hey, how far now? You na stupid guy. I dey talk to you. You dey stupid. Wetin I dey tell you, you no dey hear me. I dey tell you something, you no dey hear me. Why you go come dey greet yourself? So I dey tell you something, you no dey hear. I tell you say all these things wey you dey do, e no go good for you. Person wey don tey for this business, me see me na big boy. See me na. Wetin else you wan know? For this business, I don tey for this business. I tell you where you go and where you no go, and they doubt me. You see wetin you don know yourself now. You dey tell me say your business never come, this that. How you take concern me? See, let me tell you, you na my guy. I no go fit dey like this. You go dey suffer. I go tell you the one wey I go tell. If you like, take it like. If you don't like, leave it. I don't care. I don't bloody care.
Bro, take it easy. It's not in a good mood.
Why I go take it easy? Why will I take it easy? Why will I?
If you want to give him advice,
That's what I'm telling him now. He's very stupid. He's the most stupid person I've ever known. Look at this guy. I told this guy before he sent to that, before he made order for that business, I told him what to do. I told him that those people he wants to give is not the right people, and he insisted. I don't know. See what he has done. Listen now. How much do we sell this your car? Let me buy your car. We sell 300.
bro, stop all this thing you are talking about.
Okay, see, let me tell you again. If you don't mind, you can still, it's still time. You can still like sell this your car, sell that land that you told me. Raise small money again, send for business. The only people that can bring back your goods for you in a safe time, as in very, very fast, and nothing will happen to your goods. They are the only people that will do it, and no one else can do it for you.
Bros, what kind of shipping company is that? Is it not this particular one that I'm using?
It is the best shipping company ever.
Yes.
Excellent Way Cargo. If you have not heard of Excellent Way Cargo, in fact, you have not started doing business.
Wow.
Excellent Way Cargo will deliver your goods at the right time you want it. It is not when all your customers will vanish before your goods will land. If you want your goods to come back within 2 days, flight, your goods will land immediately.
Come again, what's that their name?
Excellent Way Cargo.
Excellent Way Cargo.
Only people that will do it for you.
Okay.
And if you want to get them, you can simply go to their Gmail, their email account at ezeyouth.daniel at gmail.com.
So wonderful.
ezeyouth.daniel@gmail.com. Here you will get them. And if you want to get their number is +905 527 213 628 or +905 316 869 285.
Excellent Way Cargo is the best.